Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at a crucial component for anyone needing to repair their DJI Mavic 2 Pro or Zoom drone. Specifically, the replacement front arm axis rear back arm shaft with bracket. This particular item is for the front arms, sold as a pair. Drones, unfortunately, can sometimes suffer damage, and the arms are particularly vulnerable in a crash or hard landing. When an arm axis or shaft gets bent or broken, it can render the drone unflyable or unstable. Replacing just the damaged part is often a much more cost-effective solution than sending it in for a full repair or buying a new drone. What's highlighted about this specific replacement part is that it's described as an original accessory. This is a significant point because using original or high-quality, compatible parts is vital for maintaining the performance and safety of a sophisticated piece of equipment like the Mavic 2. The description emphasizes that it's designed to replace the damaged original seamlessly. Ease of installation is mentioned, which is great news for drone owners who prefer to handle minor repairs themselves. While drone repair always requires care and precision, knowing the part is designed for straightforward replacement is reassuring. The fine craftsmanship is also noted, suggesting that the part is well made and will fit correctly, which is absolutely essential for the structural integrity and smooth operation of the drone's folding arms. Furthermore, the part is described as high quality for professional use, durable, wear-resistant, and having a long lifetime. This indicates it's not just a temporary fix, but a robust replacement intended to last. For drone pilots, especially those using their Mavic 2 for professional work, reliability is paramount. A durable replacement part means less downtime and more confidence in the drone's airworthiness after repair. Essentially, this replacement front arm axis and bracket offers a viable path to bringing a damaged Mavic 2 Pro or Zoom back to flying condition. By providing a high-quality, durable, and easy-to-install component that is an original accessory, it addresses the common problem of arm damage effectively. It allows users to perform necessary repairs with confidence, knowing they're using a part designed to meet the drone's original specifications. This kind of specific replacement part is invaluable for extending the life of a valuable drone like the Mavic 2 series.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.